Hi, hey Russ here. Welcome back to the shop. Well, I'm sitting here in the shop. Beautiful day. I got the doors all open. I can hear the mowers out there going all over the neighborhood. So if you hear a mower go by, don't be surprised. Somebody's mowing. Now somebody's out there mowing close by. So hopefully it won't interfere. Anyway, what this video is about is I'm going to start a new video series. I have several of them out there now that I do, like the OTB Thinker series, the Logging in the Burbs, Legacy Building, and so on. So I have these different video series, and I try to mark them that way in the title so you kind of know what the subject is kind of going to be about. The new one I'm going to do is called Show Me, and it's a derivative of Show Me. I'm from Missouri, Show Me. And what it's about is there's two things about me you don't know that you're going to find out about now. And the first one is it drives me crazy when I see inaccurate information on YouTube. A good example of that is when I see somebody do something wrong, or they do something I don't understand why they do it that way. And I ask the question. Sometimes they get upset with me about doing it. Sometimes they get into a constructive conversation about it. And they make me understand why they do it the way they do, which is okay. Or sometimes they go, oh, I hadn't thought about that. And they actually agree with what I'm saying. And I'm not looking to win or lose those things. But if I don't understand it, I'm going to say something. And if it turns out they're wrong and they want to discuss it, we're going to discuss it till I'm pretty sure that I've made all my points. They don't have to agree, but they're going to listen to me. And the madder they get, probably the more I'll keep coming back at them, because that's the other weakness I have, is that I don't get intimidated. I don't get angry, but I don't get intimidated. And if you come at me, I'm probably going to come back at you too. So I think it's going to be fun. I think you're going to think some of it's going to be hilarious, I think. Most importantly, though, we're going to show some of the things out there on YouTube that aren't true about workshop stuff. I think you'll enjoy it. I think it's kind of still on the same basis as like the Mythbusters. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this series. I think I'm going to have fun with it. And my first one is going to be about the miter sled, where you cut things at 45 degrees. There's two different methods out there that I'm aware of how to set that up and make the jig. One of them is totally wrong. And I've watched people making the jig that way and talk about making it that way over and over and over. And I don't understand. So we're going to start with that one. And when you see it and you see what I'm talking about, you'll understand more about this series, I think. Stay tuned. I hope you like this video. I hope you get as excited about learning some of this new stuff as I am. And more importantly, this is really going to be fun because I get to stir the pot, which I like to do. Thanks, and don't be afraid to come back because we're nowhere near done. We'll see you again very soon.